Welcome back to the channel. This is how to set your AEG oven to come on automatically. So first, make sure the oven clock is set correctly. Automatic functions rely on the correct time. Now just simply press the duration button. You could use the plus and the minus buttons or dial to set how long you want the oven to cook. And also press the end time button and choose the time you want the cooking to finish, and the oven will calculate when it needs to start. And after that, just simply choose your desired cooking method. You could go for fan, conventional, grill, etc., and set the right temperature. And after that, the oven will stay in a standby mode until it's time to begin, and the light or indicator will show it's in auto mode. And guys, the oven switches on automatically at the right time and cooks for the set duration and then turns off when finished. There you go. See ya.